Hey there, YouTube. Here I have a Swingline 525 3-hole punch. Where is it? There we go. And what happened was the third piston wasn't retracting, so I tore it apart, and basically there's 2 screws on the bottom of the unit. You don't have to uncover anything. Just 2 screws. And then there's pop tab. And I used my little spudger tool to push the pop tabs in. So this is the, let me think here. Okay, so yeah, this is facing down, so the top of the unit would be here. And so you just go around it and push these in, and they'll pop. Kind of like taking an iPod or iPhone apart. Yeah, okay, and once you get that off, if it's like mine, what I see here, everything looks like it still has grease. The motor is working. It looks like the cams are in pretty good shape. Oh, okay. So it looks like these move along this track here. It looks like maybe this track has seized. So, push this guy back in. Pull my paper out. Let's see if I can't bend that backwards where it looks like it's supposed to go. This is... yeah. Alright, now I got that bent back into shape. And I'm going to oil this track. Alright, looks like you can kind of see how it works. The cams push these lobes. It looks like that might have fixed it, but I'd like to not recreate the problem here, or not have it happen again, so I'm going to add more lube and keep playing with it until I'm satisfied. So what I did was I pulled power while it was hitting this lobe to kind of look under here. It's like a simple track. Add some oil there because it looks like it's sticking. Oh, I'm almost out of oil. Looks like I found the culprit here, paper clip in the mechanism. Let's see if we can't make sure that gets out of there. Alright, so what looks like what happened was a paper clip got in here somehow, and not only bent this upright that holds the piston, it bent this journal that the cam goes on here, and so I had to bend this in a little bit like this, and now it looks like it is fully retracting like it's supposed to. So let's put it back together and see if it works. Alright, these are the 2 screws I was talking about, one here and one here. Alright, we got her back together. Let's see if she works. Three-hole punch, look at that. And we'll fold it one more time just for fun. So it's the equivalent of like 10 pieces. Oh.